The Bafang HD BBS03 e-bike kit stands out with its newly upgraded mid-drive motor that offers smooth and controlled throttle-responsive acceleration. It is compatible with a wide range of bike types, including mountain bikes and road bikes, thanks to its versatile design, accommodating various bottom bracket sizes. The powerful 1,000-watt motor delivers an impressive torque of 160 Newton meters, making it a reliable choice for conquering steep hills and achieving high speeds. This kit allows for easy installation, transforming your regular pedal bike into an electric bike with 3 different riding modes to suit your preferences. Included in the kit are essential accessories such as a mid-drive motor, brake components, a thumb throttle, and an LCD display, ensuring a comprehensive conversion package. Bafang offers a worry-free service with technical support available from their numerous global warehouses, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase.